Hello, today we're going to make banana bread. This is one of the very comforting food. So I made this banana bread today. I'm going to take it out of the loaf pan now, and then we're going to try it out, and we'll make this one today. It's nice and warm now. Let's go ahead and slice it. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's try a little piece. Very nice and moist, and I can feel the crunchiness of the walnut as well. It tastes really good. Okay, so let's go ahead and preheat the oven at 325 Fahrenheit. I prepared all the ingredients here, but I'm going to include down in description the recipe, okay? So we're going to use butter, sour cream, sugar, eggs, banana, flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and vanilla. All right, let's go ahead and start it. First, you're going to put your banana. This is a very simple recipe. All you have to do is just put everything together and mix it. Going to add your eggs into it. There goes sugar. Can mix this for now. At this point, you can add your butter, melted butter, your sour cream, now we're going to combine it.
Is he making banana bread?
Okay, now this is nicely mixed. We're going to get our flour here, add all the dry ingredients. Okay, and then 2 teaspoons of vanilla here. Okay, so I'm going to add walnut in this recipe. This is very optional. If you don't have any walnut, that's okay. But if you have walnut, it will be really nice and tasty and more healthier. Let's go ahead and add the dry ingredients to this batter. I'll do half of it. So when you add your flour, you don't have to mix it too long. You just need to make sure there's no dry flour in the batter. It smells good. Okay, now we're going to add the walnut. Okay, that's pretty much it. And I have 9 by 13 loaf pan here, and I already greased it with some butter. Now we're going to just pour it into this pan. All right, now the batter is ready to go into the oven. So at 325 Fahrenheit for 70 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes. What's going on? Timer, 70 minutes. And we'll come back. Okay, now time is up. Let's go ahead and remove the banana bread out of the oven. The one way, oh, look at that, looks good. The one way you can test it, you can take it out. You can gently touch with your finger. If it bounces back like this, you see it's bouncing back, right? Like this, it's bouncing back. Can you see it? So if it's bouncing back, that means it's totally baked inside. If it sinks down and leaves the dent in there, that means it's not done. That means you have soft dough still inside, soft batter. So this is done. I'm aggressively pressing it down, it's bouncing back. Okay, now we're gonna leave this about 10 minutes in the loaf, and then in 10 minutes, we'll take it out of the loaf pan. Okay, now the bread is cooled down a little bit. Let's go ahead and remove it out of the loaf. All right, let's try and see how it looks inside. All right, it looks like this. It feels good, nice and moist. I can give it a try again. All right. Nice and moist, and just the way I expected. Really delicious.